everyone, AWESMR Kids here, and yup, we're making some more slime. But as you can see, this one looks pretty different compared to all the other slimes we did in the past. And that's because this is ERASER slime. Not only is this really fun to play with, it'll definitely come in handy if you make a mistake while writing with your pencil. Let's get started. Obviously, since this is ERASER slime, we're gonna need an eraser. I bought this high polymer one from Pentel. We're gonna need some Elmer's clear school glue, a bottle of lotion. You don't need to buy this exact same brand. Some cornstarch, and liquid starch. Alright, on to our first step. We need to collect eraser shavings, so I'll go ahead and use the eraser on a piece of paper. Woo, look at me go! Whew. Okay, gonna take a little break and see how many eraser shavings I made. Gonna need a little more, so let's erase again. Just heads up, the more eraser shavings you collect, the better this works. Woo! Check this out! I think it's safe to say I made a big enough pile. Now let's go ahead and throw the eraser shavings into a bowl. Okay, once you do that, grab your lotion and squeeze some into the bowl as well. There's not an exact amount of lotion you have to squeeze in, so squeeze just enough to cover the eraser shavings. And grab something to stir with so that you can mix the lotion and eraser shavings together. There we go. The lotion is covering the eraser shavings, so now let's go ahead and pour in the glue. Normally, we'd be pouring this entire bottle in, but for this slime, we're only going to need a little bit of this glue. Just pour enough so that the glue covers the entire pile. It's okay if you pour in a little extra. This next part is optional. You don't need to add color to your slime, but I thought it'd be nice if we made some green eraser slime today. So I added a few drops, and now just mix everything together. Nice! It's looking good so far! Now we need to add in some liquid starch. The best way to do this is to just pour in a little bit, then mix, then pour in a little more, then mix again, and just keep following the same steps until the slime isn't sticky. Just give me a few moments while I mix this thing up. Alright, it's time to ditch the stirring object and use my hands. As you can see, the slime is looking a little sticky, but it's starting to look like actual slime. Let's add a little more liquid starch and mix it up. Yes! Definitely less sticky now. And our slime is starting to look really good. We're not finished yet though. Now we have to add in the cornstarch. Okay, so once again, don't really have an exact measurement for how much cornstarch to use, but we'll be needing a lot of it. Start by pouring in about half a spoon's worth. And then just use your hands to mix it. Add some more cornstarch, and mix again. So like I said earlier, you're gonna have to play around with the measurements, but you might face this problem where your slime starts to get sticky again. If that's the case, just pour in some more liquid starch, and that should help. And we're finished! Here's how our green eraser slime turned out. Feels a little different because of the eraser shavings, but this is really stretchy like the other slimes. Okay, but I'm sure most of you want to see this next part, so let's get started. Let me just write on this piece of paper first. Hello. And it's erasing time. So, you have to keep erasing for a bit. But hey, look, not bad for eraser slime. Although you could still kind of see the word. Let's try again. AWESMR. Yeah, so this is definitely not as good as a normal eraser, but it pretty much works. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Hey everyone, AWESMR Kids here, and we're gonna be doing a fun, gooey, glittery do-it-yourself project today.
What is it?
It's Glitter Galaxy Slime, and you only need a few items to make it. You'll need a bottle of Elmer's School glue. Try to get the clear one if you can. A bowl to mix everything in. You're gonna need some glitter and liquid starch. To begin, pour the entire bottle of glue into the mixing bowl.
Pour, pour, pour.
Once you do that, fill the empty glue bottle with water. Now we can pour the water into the mixing bowl as well. Alright, time to add some liquid starch. You need half a cup. And instead of pouring all of it in at once, you want to slowly pour it in while mixing it. Pour in a little more. Almost finished. Pour in the rest. And let's keep on mixing. At a certain point, it's gonna get pretty difficult to mix with the stirring objects, so this is where you need to get your hands dirty.
You ready?
Let's go! Think of it as you're kneading some dough. Your hand is gonna feel really sticky, but don't worry, you can wash it off later. Mixing this is important, so you have to do a good job here. Okay, fast forward. Woo! The hard part is over. As you can see, we made some clear slime. And if you've seen some of our previous slime videos, I'm sure you're familiar with all this already. But now it's time to do something a little different. We're gonna make some glitter slime. Let's tear off a little chunk of the slime we just made and put it back into the mixing bowl. We'll start by making some purple glitter slime. There isn't an actual measurement as to how much glitter you have to pour in, so you can just go by feel.
That looks about right.
Now you want to fold the slime in half. I do this because it makes the mixing process easier. And you want to just keep folding it in half until the glitter starts to show. And your hands will get a little messy here too, but it's not going to be as bad as making the actual slime. Now let's stretch out our slime a few times.
Whoa, so glittery!
And there we go! We made some purple glitter slime! Let's follow the same steps as before and make some sky blue glitter slime now.
Ooh, this is sparkly too!
Alright, we have one more color to make. Let's make a red glitter slime now.
glitter slime is awesome!
Now that we have all of our glitter slime, let's make some glitter galaxy slime. We'll start by tearing off a little bit of each colored slime. Place them next to each other like this, and let's stretch it out. This is awesome! The colors look great!
This slime is pretty stretchy.
You can also mix all the colors together. Since we talked about kneading bread earlier, let's give this a little twirl. Boom! We made some colorful glitter dough. And now let me show you something really cool.
What?
Yup, this is the glitter galaxy slime. It's pretty amazing when all the colors are mixed and you just stretch it out. Also, the glitter adds a nice touch. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. everyone, AWESMR Kids here, and today we're gonna do some Play-Doh art.
Yeah, what are we making?
We're gonna make some Play-Doh rainbow Oreos. Before we begin, let's grab all of our Play-Doh cans. Whoa, just popping out of nowhere. Boom, boom, nice. Okay, so what you need to do is create a stamp like the one I'm holding. Grab an actual Oreo and press it down on some white Play-Doh to make it look like this. And that's all you need to make your Oreo cookie. Pretty simple, right? So let's go ahead and make a rainbow colored one first. This one's gonna be the trickiest out of all the other colors we're making, so watch carefully. But don't worry, it's not super difficult. You wanna roll out the Play-Doh into a skinny stick like this red one, and just place it on top of the Oreo stamp. Now let's roll out this orange one just like we did with the red. And place it right next to it. Perfect! We'll do the same thing for the yellow.
Not tricky at all.
Let's create the next color, which is green. Now we need some blue Play-Doh. And finally, some purple Play-Doh. Alright, once you have all the Play-Doh colors next to each other side by side, you want to firmly press down on all the Play-Doh colors so that you can get all the details from the Oreo stamp. Okay, then you want to carefully peel off all of the colors. Easiest way to do this is to peel it off from one side, find the side that's more loose and start from there. Nice! And you know you've succeeded if you can see the details of the Oreo cookie, and we have it right here. Now we just need to clean it up a bit. We'll use a Play-Doh knife to cut any of the excess Play-Doh off. Want to see some magic? Duplicate!
Whoa!
Now that we have the two Oreo cookies, we need to make the filling, which is the good stuff. We'll need some white Play-Doh, and start by rolling it out. Once you do that, if you have a circular mold like this, use it to create a small circle so that it matches the Oreo cookie. If you don't have one, don't sweat it. Just use a Play-Doh knife and try to create a similar size circle. Alright, now let's put the Oreo cookie together.
Oh yes, I've been waiting for this.
And boom! Here is a rainbow colored Oreo cookie.
That looks so good.
And it's really pretty. Now let's follow the same steps as before and create some different colored Oreos. Since we know how to do this now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'll let you know when I finish making the Oreo. Nice! We just made a red Oreo. Now let's make an orange one. This orange one is pretty awesome. Okay, fast forward. Let's have some more Oreos pop out.
So colorful.
Let's take another look at all the Oreos we made today. Here's the rainbow colored one. The red one. The orange one. The yellow Oreo. The green Oreo. We have a blue Oreo right here. A purple Oreo. And we can't forget the original. This one looks so real, I want to take a bite out of it.
Get me a glass of milk.
Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.